Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to create these chocolate butterflies. They are an easy decoration for cakes or cupcakes. You only need a few things to make them. Start by printing out the butterfly image templates or draw your own. You'll also need dark chocolate or any kind chocolate you like, and some parchment paper or wax paper. Next, melt 1 ounce of dark chocolate. Once it's melted, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped chocolate and stir well until completely smooth. Then transfer it into a piping bag and snip off a small corner. Place a piece of parchment paper over your butterfly pattern on a flat board or baking tray. Pipe the chocolate to trace the butterfly pattern on the parchment paper. Don't worry about your piping skills. It will look great either way. Once you pip the butterflies, place the paper in an open book or any cold surface to let them set. Keep in the fridge for about 15 minutes. When the chocolate has set, gently remove the butterflies from the parchment paper. And that's it! Our chocolate butterflies are ready for cake decoration. I hope you found this video helpful and give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you next time!